Apple is rumored to be preparing a new version of its Apple TV 4K expected to launch later this year. The current Apple TV, introduced in October 2022, features an A15 chip, USB-C on the Siri remote, and a compact design. However, with over 2 years since its release, speculation is building about significant upgrades for the next model. Reports suggest the updated Apple TV will include Apple's in-house networking chip, moving away from Broadcom. This chip will likely support Wi-Fi 6E, marking a first for Apple TV and enabling faster connectivity. Additionally, it may feature a faster processor, potentially the A18 chip, to enhance overall performance. Moreover, the updated model is also expected to focus on affordability. Apple lowered the price of the 2022 Apple TV to $129, and analysts, including Ming-Chi Kuo, believe the next model could go below $100. Notably, a lower price point would make the Apple TV more accessible to a broader audience. Apple's working to expand gaming on its devices. The new Apple TV could play a role in the strategy. With a powerful processor, the device may support high-end games, including those with advanced features like ray tracing. Furthermore, the inclusion of Apple Intelligence could enable the latest Siri and other smart home functionalities, potentially enhancing the experience when paired with HomePods.